Want to learn Python but think it's too hard? It's not. In just 6 minutes, you'll understand the fundamentals that take most people weeks to grasp. Python is a programming language that reads like English. Unlike complex languages, Python uses simple words instead of confusing symbols. Tech giants like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python daily. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, or create IPython as your foundation, it's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for professionals. Think of variables as labeled boxes storing information. Data types are what goes inside, numbers text, or true core-false values. Loops repeat actions automatically. Imagine telling Pythons instead of typing it 100 times. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Master these 4 concepts, and you've unlocked 80% of everyday Python programming. Let's code together. Type name equals your name. Then print hello plus name. Press enter, you just created variables and printed output. Next, try a loop. For I in range 5, print I love Python. Congratulations, you are officially a programmer. These simple lines teach fundamental skills used in every Python project. Ready to level up? Try these, create a calculator that adds numbers, build a program that lists your hobbies, or make a guessing game. Practice daily, even 15 minutes matters. Download our free practice question PDF in the description. Then explore libraries like Pandas for data science or Flask for web development. You've got this. Smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss Python tutorials. Drop a comment telling us what you'll build first.